Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Art of Trading Mindset and quick analysis on the US market. So let's check Dow Jones first. Now you can see the chart of the Dow Jones. I'll show you the previous confirmation with the market ran for close to 13 14,000 points from this 32,000 points. This was a clear confirmation after a small correction. Then this confirmation after this confirmation market traded till 45,000 points. It made double top, tried breaking this. This was actually this level was acting as a 42,000 was acting as a support. This level was tested twice. Here you can see, and on the third attempt, it was broken. Then after breaking, this was the actually this was the correction of 7,000 points. Market has again taken the U-turn from this point and trying to go up. Clear cut W formation is there, and it is also broken. And now market is halting on this point with the gap up. The confirmation has come. There you can see on the chart that confirmation is coming. It's a small confirmation. Let the strong confirmation come here. Then market will be trending for many days. Now, if you see the same chart in the hourly candles, there you can see how market is reacting. Now, this was the previous downtrend for many days. Then again, the confirmation has come in the market on this level. And from this point, from 40,000 points, market is trading on 42,000 points. It has been already moved. It has already surged 2,000 points from this level. Again, this level is not going to stop, or the market is not going to come. Definitely, there's a strong momentum in the market, and market is going to go up for so many more points. Another 3,000 points, at least it is going to touch its previous high, which is 45,000. The confirmation again, the confirmation keeps on happening in this market, and when the confirmation comes with the gap up, then it sustains for longer term. Then you can see on the chart, this was a confirmation with the gap up, sustained. Again, this was the actually confirmation with the gap, sustained, and this was actually the gap up, the market sustained. So whenever the confirmation is coming with with the huge gap up, the market is sustaining and halting its on previous support. Continuously, the market is taking support. If you see it on chart, the market is opening. There you can see it opened, then took support from here. Again opened support, found support from here, then went up. Again, market here open here and took support from this point and went up. Again, market opened here, then took support from this point, went up. In this session, there you can see market took support of previous closing, previous swing. Again, there was a gap up, and then market came till here and then took support, went up. In this session, again, you can see this was the support zone. Market again took support and traded for a day here itself. Huge gap up here after these sessions. There was a huge gap up. Again, market opened here and continuously went up. The market has all again opened little bit gap up, came down, but took this support from this zone. Again, market opened here and taking its support from last 2 hours. Now you can see how force is there, how bull force is there in the US market. The same thing is also happening if you see S&P 500. S&P 500 is an index of the US market. There you can see clear confirmation. This was the confirmation, this was the low, and it kept on moving higher and highs, and kept on taking the support on its previous level. S&P 500 again, if you see the confirmation and day candle has also come on the chart. Now this level has been broken with the gap. It's a huge momentum that is going to uh, you know be in very shorter term. At least it is going to cover this point 60 to 100 points from this point, and at least it will be gaining 300 points from this point. Same thing I'll be showing you in Meta, Facebook. In the Facebook, you can see huge search. Again, Tesla. Now you can see Tesla was trading here on $240, standing on $340, just gain of $100 in just few days. From 2023, sorry, 23rd of April 2025. Now, standing today on 14th of May, there were few trading sessions and the gain of $100 from this point to this point. Plantier also you can see huge, gain from this point. There was a, confirmation when it was on $80. It is trading on $129. Just 80% surge has been in the market from this point, and after giving the confirmation from this point, this market did not break its previous low. And I'll show you. Okay, this is the Bank Nifty. Okay, no issue. Bank Nifty, Indian Stock Index, financial index is also, taking support and halting here. There are high chances that it will go because there is a huge gap up, and with the market is gapping up, it's sustaining all wage. You can see it is sustaining. Similar thing is also happening in Nifty, Indian index of Nifty 50. Then there you can see on the gaps. Netflix, the huge momentum in the Netflix also can be seen from this point when it was 800 points something, 800 and from this point 850 points, trading on 1146 points. There you can see in the in the Apple, the confirmation had come, but somehow that was was broken. This was the confirmation, but this low was not broken. Now you see the market has given again confirmation. It is going up. Now definitely strong confirmation has come in the market. It is going to go up now. Same thing also you can see in Amazon. Huge trend as can be seen in Amazon from this point 185 points, 214 points. And then Alibaba Group, there you can see very recently the confirmation had come with the gap up, and now it's going up. See, there is a huge mean of the gap up when it happens in the market. Be any market in the world, whether it's a US market or Indian market, whenever market is giving confirmation with the gap up, then it means it is not going to stop. It is going to run for many days. Then maybe uh, there'll be a very few, very rare chance that it will come down. And update on the I'll show you some very good update on the gold. There you can see huge correction in the gold has been made today. Now, if you see my previous video on the gold, wherein the again the video was on the gold, as till what level the correction can be made. Now, still correction will be made up to $2,900. It is standing on currently $3,200. Again, $300 still it to gain. Now you can see at least the correction will be done till here, $2,900. And I will also show you this was actually the point when the gold, started coming from its top. There was a uptrend, and it delivered good reward in just 2 days. Again, when it gave confirmation from this point, this high was not broken. It is continuously making lower lows and standing from this point, $3,375 till 3,181 gain of $200 in just few trading sessions, one, two, three, four, five, in just five trading sessions. So similarly, same thing is also happening in other markets. I'll show you as well the crude oil market. Now there you can see on the chart, the confirmation was clearly given here by the market. Now the market is saying I am going from this point. I will not touch back this point, this low. It went up, again went down for it made correction for few points. Again, it made again another high here, standing, on top from this point, 50 from 58.5 dollars. It traveled till $63. And natural gas, you can also see on the chart, then that this was actually confirmation, good confirmation, and from this point $3, it is standing on $3.72. Huge reward has been delivered, more than 30-40 points. Reward has been delivered from this point to this point. See, if you see, the momentum is in market in American market and commodity market. Now this is good time to trade, but we should have the proper knowledge of the where the market is going and where the market can go and what all the points are where the market can come down or come up, can go up from. So it's very important that we do analysis on daily basis and it takes a lot of effort to do the analysis on daily basis. I understand this. So this is actually good time for SIP or investment in the US market for few days. Then the very short very few days this momentum will be over and nothing will be left out. Then market will be volatile. Now, after going till here, then you will see the market will be volatile and it will be trading in a range. Then there'll not be any mean. If we'll buy something from this point or at this point, then definitely my market will be on correction mode. Then it will again come down and we will be caught by sellers that time. So this is very important that we know how the market is reacting. So thank you so much in this video, guys, and this is my request to subscribe my channel and like the video. If you want, you can also give the any particular stock name or any commodity name. There I can provide my view where the market can go and what all the points can it come from or take momentum from. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support.